We are pleased to show you the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, heated seats, navigation system, traction control, Bose sound system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.